My first contact with this place was through my father, and actually me visiting as a child. Walking through the engineering doors and seeing the big machines. That really was my first interest in engineering. So I started as an apprentice in 1987, through my apprenticeship then into the inspection department, from the inspection department into installation and service work, and then into the sales team in 2003. And at this moment in time I'm now progressing my career, becoming marketing sector manager. For all the different areas that are available here, Thieves has the chance to really explore. It gives you the person a chance to really explore not just their own company, but other members within the group as well. With Thieves, we have a very broad capability to look into the future. I see my future as marketing sector manager, and as the company changes its product base, then my role will switch with that different product base. Well, I'm very comfortable with that because I enjoy the technical differences in the changes. That's something that I actually thrive on, if you like.